So continuing from our automotive discussions earlier, let's show now our knob on display technology. So this is unique in that, if you think about it from a safety perspective, touchscreens are fantastic. However, when you're in a touchscreen environment, you still got to divert your gaze to actually look at the screen. It's still incredibly helpful to be able to reach out and just grab something that's tactile and turn that. So you can see now I'm interacting. I don't have to be looking at that display to see what's happening. I can change that, move to this environment. I can change the fan environments. So very simply now, I'm not having to go through so many stages. If you think about just changing volume, I've got to touch the screen and select audio. I've got to touch the screen and select volume. Then I've got to make the adjustments, how many volume adjustments I want to make. Maybe it's 5 or 6 different clicks. All of that time, my gaze is getting taken away from the driving environment. With a tactile knob on display, I don't have to worry. It's something I can just reach out, grab, and do that. And the technology has the ability as well that we can use this as a switch controller. So the capability is there for us to be able to touch this and adjust, and you can see us cycling through different environments here as well as I do that. So not only can it control as we turn, it can control as we touch, and we've got that direct control over the panel.
And it's nice to put it on the edge of the panel so you don't take up too much of the panel.
Precisely. Now you still want to be able to see. So, if I pulled up at a traffic light or whatever, then my gaze can look at the screen, obviously, and it's completely safe. But you want this to be easily within reach. So if my steering wheel's here, it's just right there, it drops to hand very easily.
Nice. What makes this possible? There's something happening behind. It kind of interacts with the touchscreen, right?
So yeah, let me ask that to my colleague here, who can probably answer that in more details.
Sorry, what's the technology that makes it possible?
Oh, okay. For this technology, you can see over here, we will have the patent. You can be sensing the capacity change when you switch and when you push that. They will be sensing the capacity of the value change to sensing the touch functions over here. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.